We're here right now at the Manning Cup Awards, not the side that Sports TV's awards, but ISA's awards. And we're here with the MVP for the DaCosta Cup, Malachi Douglas himself. First of all, congratulations on copying such an important award. How are you feeling right now?
I'm very elated at the moment because I didn't even know that I was going to win the award today. So when I heard my name, I'm very, very happy, and I'm sure my family is as well.
Really quickly, walk us through your season. Tell us what led to Malachi Douglas winning the MVP award.
Well, firstly, I'm the captain of my team, so I'm always, they're always looking the best for me, like, come on, I'm the captain, so they're always going to look to me to bring the team. If the team is not performing good, they're always going to look to Malachi Douglas and say, you need to do this, so,
At the end of the day, winning two trophies this season, falling short in a third because of the Manning Cup's MVP, some would say. Would you consider Clarendon College's season to be a success?
Definitely, of course. Even though we wanted the 3 titles, we came out with 2, so yeah, definitely.
Alright, what next can we expect from the DaCosta Cup's MVP? What's next going forward?
Well, I don't want to say much about that, but for the moment, I'll be playing Premier League for Chapter Marines.
Alright, and speak to us about how it's felt, moving from the DaCosta Cup up into the Premier League. You've been a part of the team for the past couple of games. How's that?
It's definitely good. The Premier League, it's a bit quicker, so you gotta adjust to that. So yeah, it's alright. It's okay.
Do you feel any pressure being so young, playing in the JPL?
Definitely not. No.
And lastly, you were selected in the All-Acosta Cup team to play in today's game. What can we expect from Malachi Douglas in an All-Star game?
Well, I'll just go there and give it my all. That's it.
Once again, congrats on a great season.